Here's a new video where I'll be trying the crackle effect again, except this time I'll be adding white pigment paste. You only need 3 ingredients for this kind of pour: black pigment paste, white pigment paste, and I'm also using Yamagato Red Mica by Eye Candy Pigments. It's a beautiful color, as you can tell. Like my previous video where I compared the crackle effect in different resins, number 13, I was inspired by Petra G's video, which I will link below again. She tried this crackle effect 2 different ways, with white and without, and both ways worked for her. So let's see if the second way works with US resin. As you can see, I'm just starting to pour with a black base. I'm using our Crystal Edge square silicone mold for this pour. You do need molds of a certain size and shape in order to achieve these effects correctly. The next part that I'm going into, which we will speed up here, is placing the white dots. I've had varying results using white pigment paste and resin. It either shows no white on the front or the front is entirely covered in white. I think I have the process figured out now, so let's see what happens here. We've sped this up so you don't have to see me placing white drops over and over and over again. Makes the process a little easier. I purposely left the center open here so we didn't end up with a white blob in the middle, which sometimes happens with resin. Once I've filled in the black areas with the white dots, as you see they're moving towards the center. Just trying to fill them up to get an edge because we will be doing the red mica push here in a moment. Mixing up the red mica, put it in the center, and just dump it in. That's how simple this pour is. You can go back and add glitter to your center or crystals, which I'll do in a moment. I always find it easier to add a little bit of resin to the glitter because it tends to clump it together and keep it in one space so it doesn't go floating off to the edges. So you just put a little drop of resin, make it like a little cement paste, put it in the center, and just kind of make sure it goes down to the bottom. We'll have a bit of a time lapse here, but I think my camera turned off or went dead in the middle of the time lapse, so we had to switch camera. So in a moment you'll see it zooms into a totally different shot and shows a little bit of movement with the white in the resin and the red. As you see, the white streaks are moving towards the middle and the red will close up eventually. There we go, that's switching the camera shot. I swirled it a little bit, that doesn't really do anything. It looks beautiful from the back side here. I love the colors, the red in the center and the black and white on the edges, and hopefully it'll look the same as Petra's did as the end result. So we're coming to the demolding. Once the day has gone by and the resin is set up, it's time to take it out of the mold. What's gonna happen, I wonder? That red is beautiful, but where's my black and white edges? Didn't work out quite the same, but it's still a beautiful piece.